Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Matre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is C Programming Language, chapter number 5, Pointers, part 1. The learning course outcomes are introduction of pointers, declaring a pointer, initializing a pointer, advantages of pointer, uses of pointer, and C pointer address operator. Pointer introduction. A pointer is a variable that stores memory address of another variable which is of similar data type. The pointer in C language is a variable which stores the address of another variable. The pointer stores the address of the another variable. So this variable can be a type of integer, float, character, array, function, etc. The size of the pointer depends on the architectures. So however, in 32 bits architecture, the size of pointer is 2 byte. Indirection operator, that is asterisk operator, is an operator used to obtain the value of variable to which a pointer points. So general form of pointer variable declaration is type, indirectional operator, variable name, that is int, star, that is the asterisk, ptr. The above statement declares a ptr as an integer pointer variable. It is also used as a variable at operator, that is it reads the value from the address stored in pointer variable. For example, printf in parenthesis in double quotes %d, that is the format specifier of integer variable, comma star ptr. Here the above statement declares the ptr as an integer pointer variable. It is also used as a value at the operator, that is it reads the value from the address stored in a pointer variable. For example, printf in parenthesis %d, it's a format specifier of integer, comma star ptr, pointer ptr variable. The above statement displays the value present at the address stored in a ptr variable. Declaring a pointer. Like variables, pointer in C programming have to be declared before they can be used in your program. The pointers can be named anything you want as long as they obey C's naming rules. A pointer declaration has the following form, that is data type star pointer variable name. So here data type is a pointer based type of C's variable types and indicate the type of variable that the pointer points to. The asterisk is used for the multiplication, which is indirection operator declares as a pointer. Initialize a pointer. So after declaring a pointer, we initialize it like a standard variables with a variable address. So if pointers in C programming are not uninitialized and used in a program, the results are unpredictable and potentially different. To get the address of the variable, we use the ampersand operator, that is the AND operator. So place before the name of the variable whose the address we need. The ampersand operator is placed before the variable. So pointer initialization is done with the following syntax, that is pointer is equals to address of variable, that is ampersand variable. Advantages of pointer. So pointer reduces the code and improves the performance. It is used to retrieving a strings, trees, etc. and used with the array structures and functions. We can return a multiple values from a function using the pointer. It makes you to able access any memory location in the computer's memory. Uses of pointer. There are so many applications where use a pointer in C language. The first is the dynamic memory allocation. In C language, we can dynamically allocate a memory using a malloc and calloc functions using the pointer is used. And second use is array functions and structure. The pointer in C language are widely used in arrays, function and structure, and it reduces the codes and improves the performance. C pointer address operator. There are two important operators which are mainly and highly required. If you are working with the pointers, without these operators we cannot work with the pointer. The first operator is the asterisk operator, that is indirection operator, and the second is a ampersand operator, that is the address of operator. The indirection operator, the dereference operator or the indirection operator denoted by the asterisk character. Asterisk is a unary operator which performs two operations with the pointer, which is used for the two purposes with the pointers. The first purpose is to declare a pointer and the second purpose is to access the stored value of memory pointed by the pointer. The first use is to declare a pointer. So consider the syntax: data type, indirection operator, pointer variable name. So suppose if we declare a pointer ptrx to store the memory address of an integer variable, then the pointer declaration will be a star ptrx. Second purpose is to access the stored value of memory pointed by the pointer. The syntax is star pointer variable name. So suppose if there is a pointer variable ptrx which is pointing to the address of integer variable x, then the access of value x ptrx will be used. The AND operator, that is the address of operator. The address of operator denoted by the ampersand character. The ampersand is a unary operator. The address of operator is a unary operator which returns the address of a variable. After declaration of pointer variable, we need to initialize the pointer with the valid memory address. To get the memory address of variable, address of operator is used. Pointer arithmetic. The pointer arithmetic is done as per the data type of the pointer. The basic operations on pointers are increment. It is used to increment the pointer. So each time a pointer is incremented, it points to the next location with respect to the memory size. For example, if ptr is an integer pointer stored at the address of 1000, then the ptr plus plus shows the 1002 as an incremented location for an integer. So it increments by the 2 location as it requires for 2-byte storage. Second is decrement. It is used to decrement the pointer. So each time a pointer is decremented, it points to previous location with respect to memory size. For example, if the current position of pointer is 1002, then the decrement operation ptr is minus minus results in the pointer pointing to the location 1000. So in this case of integer pointer, as it requires a 2-byte storage. Then addition operator. When addition operation is performed and on pointer, it gives the location incremented by the added value according to the data type. For example, if ptr is an integer pointer stored at the address 1000, then the ptr plus 2 shows 1000 plus 2 by 2, that is 1004 as an incremented location for an integer. Subtraction arithmetic operator. When the subtraction operator is performed on the pointer variable, it gives the location decremented by the subtracted value according to the data type. So if the ptr is an integer pointer stored at the address 1004, so the after subtraction the value of pointer is 1000. Thank you.